welcome to Shelley's House of Speed. Today we are gonna slow things down a little bit and not talk about speed because we bought an RV. So we're in it. We are in it and we just brought it home yesterday. Kane's already here, he's hanging out. So we bought this yesterday and we drove it home. We didn't have any problems. It was a great drive. So far everything sounds good. It is a 2001 Damon Daybreak. So I have some notes written, so that's why I might look weird because I had to do a little bit of research. So what we know is that it is the workhorse chassis. It's a Vortec 8100, so it's an 8.1 liter big block. Now to my notes. So we have 56 gallons of fresh water that we can take with us, and the gray and black tanks both hold about 40 gallons each. It is a gas motor, which we weren't really planning on. We wanted to find a diesel, but we actually got a really good deal on this one, so we just went for it. It's our first RV, so if it just doesn't work out for us, we can sell it. It's in great shape. It does have an onboard generator. It's the Onan generator, which I believe, not sure how many hours are on it, but I'll check into that and put it down below. So we also have gas, and I believe, I guess it's listed in pounds, so it's 82 pounds of gas. I don't know. If you know more about this RV than we do, or if you just know more about RVs in general, leave us some information down below. Tell us your tips and tricks. So this one in particular is in great shape, but it does need a little bit of work. So I think I'm gonna start from the back and work our way up to the front and take you on a little tour. In the back, this is our bedroom. Not really a whole lot to say about this. So this is what I was talking about, like the little bit of work that it does need. Hey, Kane. There's just a couple of things that are maybe broken or need a little fixing up, but all of the cabinets are here, all of the doors are here. The little things for your hangers up here, I don't know what they're called or if they have an actual name. So we have a queen size mattress too. It turns out it's a short queen. I didn't know that this was a thing in RVs, but it is. There's a couple of super cool photos on the walls. We actually believe that those might be glued to the walls. There's another mirror. There's so many mirrors in here, it's strange. One little thing that we found yesterday after we got home, which was pretty neat, see if I can show it to you, is this little guy. So there's a little tab right here and you flip it down. And there's a little table so you can plug things in. It's got cable, I guess, if you wanted a TV. I don't think we'll necessarily need a TV, but it's here if we wanted it. Let's see. There's hooks everywhere. These little hooks all over the place. So leaving the bedroom. Oh, and we found this. I'll show you this real quick too, if I can. It might be hard. So it turns out the bed, get under the mattress. The bed actually lifts, so we have a little storage space under there. So that's pretty neat. I'm not sure what we'll store, but then underneath that is like the fuse panel and stuff, some switches. I think those go for, I don't know, maybe air conditioning and heat and stuff. We're still like figuring out what everything is. You just push the bed back down. That's good to go. So that's pretty much the whole bedroom. These little drawer things slide out. Then when you come out of the bedroom, we have a shower. shower's kind of gross. Everything is kind of gross. I believe that Kane's already on the bed making himself at home. And then on the other side of the hallway, we have a bathroom. The bathroom is kind of sketch. We haven't cleaned out a whole lot of what's in the bathroom yet because Kane, come on. There's a lot in there that I don't want to touch without gloves. We've got the little skylight. There's some trash up in there. Not sure what it is. I've got everything opened out right now because got a little bit of a smell in here, but it's not bad. It's not musty. We don't think anything's ever been wet. So that's good. That leads us to the kitchen. So the kitchen is actually pretty nice. Everything is in great shape. We've got the fridge and a little stove, our sink and microwave up top. This is some of the stuff that was left behind, so we'll end up throwing most of that away. And then it's got a Jackknife sofa, so this sofa lifts from the bottom and slides out. Just the very front, the captain's chair. Got a fan on too, because it's really hot in here. And then on the other side of the kitchen, we have a little dinette. So this, I believe, folds down into a bed too. We haven't tried that out yet to make sure everything fits and goes where it needs to go. Because there's still a whole bunch of trash in here. We think that somebody may have actually lived in here because all their stuff was still here. And there's cabinets and lights above the dinette, cabinets and lights over the kitchen. Let's see, in the front, we've got all the curtains closed. So these fans up here at the top, this one on the driver's side works. The one on the passenger side doesn't work. But we found if they're on, the one on the passenger side is really, really hot. So we're not using those. We're gonna end up having to replace those. Whoever had this before us did put a smart TV in with a DVD player. So we have that and some speakers. This is probably like our most favorite thing though. I have to show this to you. This is so cute. So in 2001, we believe that this was their backup camera. This was installed afterwards, obviously. It's literally just screwed into the dash under here. It is so fantastic. It's just a black and white screen. When you turn it on, it looks like it's just cloudy outside. And you can't really tell what you're backing up to, so we're probably gonna end up replacing that. It looks like a couple of other little homemade things were added, and that would be these little like cup holder things seem to be everywhere. I'm sure that's something that's necessary, but they are also on this side. But I found yesterday when driving this home that none of my cups or bottles don't really fit in any of those. So we'll probably end up replacing those too. That's it. That's the tour of the inside. The outside is pretty much everything you would expect on an RV. It's got all of the tank stuff and hookups and all that. Everything is there. We haven't had a chance to actually test all of the systems and make sure that they work, so that's first on our list of things to do. I think at some point we're probably going to paint the inside, do a little makeover, and just kind of fix it up a little bit, fix some of the broken things. Not too fancy, but a full makeover is planned, because you know I still like to be a little girly sometimes, so we'll make it pretty inside too, even though it's functional. So I think that's it for this video. We're gonna start with cleaning it. So we're gonna get it cleaned really well first, and then we'll probably start painting, and you know, we're gonna get a new mattress because that one's not ours. And you know, things like that, stuff that we need and we want in our camper for when we camp at the track and anywhere else we wanna go. So if you like this video, keep watching, keep checking back, hit the little notification bell so you know when we post a new video, and we'll keep you up to date on our progress with the new RV and how things are going. And when we get back to racing, we'll post those videos too. Thanks!